Janata Party has scripted history in West Bengal, and once again the vote chori debate is back. Now, political temperatures continue to soar as fresh allegations and counter-allegations dominate the discourse. We're talking about Lok Sabha Leader of Opposition Rahul Gandhi, who once again has questioned the electoral mandate in Bengal and reiterated allegations of vote chori. Rahul Gandhi has questioned the legitimacy of the electoral outcome in Bengal, reviving accusations of vote chori. He has alleged that elections in Bengal as well as Assam were stolen. He has further claimed that the BJP, in fact, worked with the support of the Election Commission. This comes after West Bengal Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee alleged that BJP's sweeping victory in the State Assembly elections was immoral, illegal, claiming that more than 100 seats were looted. Listen in.
मेरे को पिटाया, मेरे को लात मारा, बीजेपी এরা হচ্ছে দানবিক পার্টি 100টা সিট লুট করেছে It's a immoral victory whatever election commission has done with the central forces and prime minister and home minister it is totally illegal and we will ask for counter mandate look
ईवीएम जिस हिसाब से हैक हुआ है मुझे नहीं लगता ये पब्लिक का रिस्पांस है। मैं तो डोर टू डोर करी हूँ जो जैसे बागदा लोगों का जैसा रिस्पांस मुझे मिला था उसका जवाब ये नहीं है, इसका हिसाब सही से होगा। मैं जहाँ पे ब्रिज बनाई हूँ वहाँ पे 150 लॉस है, मुस्लिम बूथ में लॉस है, ऐसे कैसे हो सकता है? इसका जवाब बहुत गलत चीज़ हुआ है। मुझे लग रहा है ये ईवीएम हैक हुआ है। लिटरली हम ये चीज़ पे रिलाई नहीं करते हैं, तो इसका हम बाद में जाके स्टेप लेने वाले हैं।
But viewers, the reactions that we are getting from other political parties seem to suggest that all is not well as far as IDI bloc is concerned, because according to the Uddhav Thackeray faction of the Shiv Sena, it is not vote chori but internal rift that should be, blamed for what has happened in Bengal. We've got a reaction from Sena UBT MP Sanjay Raut, who has suggested that the outcome could have been slightly different if the opposition had remained united. So this is an interesting twist that has come to this entire vote chori narrative that Rahul Gandhi is now talking about. Rahul Gandhi, remember, had also slammed Mamata Banerjee during the campaign as well. But now he is suggesting that the outcome is basically election choris because of election chori by the Bharatiya Janata Party. Let's go across to my colleague Mohit Bhatt, who's joining us live right now for more on this. Mohit, it's interesting to see how on one hand you've got people like Rahul Gandhi suggesting that this election chori is the reason why Mamata Banerjee lost Bengal. Then you've got people like Sanjay Raut coming out and saying that it's instead of election chori, it is actually a lack of unity in the opposition that cost Mamata Banerjee West Bengal.
Well, yes, in fact, what we see is that not just Sanjay Raut, but also Priyanka Chaturvedi, who is the ex-Rajya Sabha member of the Sena UBT, she has also put out a social media post where she says that the kind of gloating coming within Own India Alliance over the failure of TMC and DMK is shameful. And similar gloating was seen by the India Alliance leaders when Arvind Kejriwal lost, Tejasvi Yadav lost, and so now they are gunning for Akhilesh Yadav. Now, these divides are the reasons why when voters reject the India Alliance parties and BJP exploit. So clearly, the message is coming in from Sanjay Raut, from Priyanka Chaturvedi, that how the India bloc needs to be together, but we have not seen that happening. We have seen that how CPM has fought Congress party in the state of Kerala. Congress and the TMC were fighting against each other in the state of West Bengal. We do not see coordination between these opposition parties, and that is where Hena BJP takes a dig, saying that these political parties, these India Alliance parties, they do not have a common agenda, they do not have a common goal, they do not have a portfolio, they do not have any manifesto for the country or the people or any state. In fact, their whole agenda is to come in power and to attack Prime Minister Narendra Modi, and the hatred towards Prime Minister Modi is what that keeps them together, that acts like a glue. But now it seems that the India bloc leaders are now realizing that how they need to be together if they want to defeat the BJP, because it's a massive win for the BJP in the state of West Bengal. And in fact, we have seen that how the leaders from the India Alliance parties...
Mohit, I'm just interrupting you there. I'll come back to you again on you know, what is really happening as far as INDI bloc is concerned. But first up, listen into what exactly Sanjay Raut has said.
डेफिनेटली राहुल गांधी बार बार बोल रही थी ममता दीदी का ये बहुत बड़ा अपराध है, राहुल गांधी की बात मानी नहीं। अगर राहुल गांधी जी के साथ ममता दीदी बैठती चर्चा करती तो कुछ नतीजा और भी आ जाते। राहुल गांधी ने जो कहा है वो सच हो गया है। दूरदृष्टि वाला नेता है, विजन है उनको। तो पश्चिम बंगाल का तमिलनाडु का चुनाव चोरी कर लिया।
So you heard what Sanjay Raut had to say, how